trying to run my dog over, or his leash.
Nice and easy. Yep, see how touchy it is? Easy on the gas. See how touchy it is? You can go fast. You're doing good.
Yeah, let go. Let go and grab his leash. I'm fine.
Put your hand on the clutch, stop the bike. I want to see you stop. Hit the foot brake. Good girl. Cosmo, stay. Good girl. Take off slow. Very slow.
My dog is running away from me.
Cosmo, come.
Cosmo, come.
He's good. Good girl.
Good boy.
Good. Easy.
I'm not even giving it gas.
Make sure to stop your foot, your hand on the clutch. See? Yeah, it's bumpy.
Yeah.